Oh, it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Welcome to Pro Traders Telugu. Today, Bank Nifty hit all our levels. Our team booked most of the profits. See, time is 10:15 only. We closed almost. We are done for the day, you can say. Yeah. Thank you guys for joining us. We'll keep learning in this way. I'll try to do live streamings and do analysis on live so that you guys can learn. Today, how we saw the big fall coming in the morning itself in the first 5 minutes candle. If you can say, let me explain you guys so that this recording will be useful for future. We saw a big candle, red candle, and immediately we saw the after 5-10 minutes we observed the option chain. A lot of put traders are exiting, and also we saw the weakness in PSU banks, and we took the P trade. P trades we bought P is around 930, and you see the big fall. And we draw these lines support and support lines in the morning itself, but it slowly it is breaking and then we are holding. If it is not breaking, we could have booked 50% here itself, but it broke the support level in very short time, so we held our PEs, and it broke the second support level, and I think we booked 50%, and we are waiting for 30,330, but it is trying to come, but it didn't come, and I asked most of the guys to exit. If it crossed 30,425, you can book your 100% profits and done for the day. We will discuss these kind of analysis in the future. I see in the option chain still short covering, put short covering is happening, and call writers are adding. But this it looks this green candle is a profit booking. Once profit booking is done, and again new call writers are added, then you see a big fall. Otherwise, it is taking support at exactly 30,370, and it is Bank Nifty is reversed. That's what we can say. If 30,425 breaks and takes support next candle, you guys can exit. Okay, yeah. See you guys. Thanks for joining Pro Traders Telugu. We'll continue this analysis, this kind of analysis live, and we discuss and we learn, we earn, and we grow. Please follow us on Twitter, join us in Telegram, uh, because we recently started this channel, so we would like to subscribe our channel, like guys, and encourage us so that we'll get motivated and we'll post more these kind more videos, and we can learn and grow together. Thank you, thank you.